The Mountaineer's Prayer. O honourable mountain, allow me to walk to your peak. There you are, timeless, elegant, framing the sun, the moon and the stars, with clouds kissing your hem. Allow me to tread quietly of the million paths that trellis your being. Let me find the path for me. Wish that I travel well, not so fast that I miss your wonders, neither so slow that I lose all hope. Let my steps be firm, always pressing onwards. As I climb a narrower mountain, measuring pace and breath, bless me with fellow travelers who lighten my weary soul. We are on a similar journey and walk in quiet knowing we may have come from afar, but we are now companions. There are many people we pass, sitting tired by the trail. Some who are just resting, others who've given up hope. As I raise my eyes to the summit, I pray for the strength to walk on. For this climb is my life's purpose, and stop, I really can't. For when we scale the summit, we are one with all who reach. The summit doesn't care how we got there, but unites all who did. After I have jumped with joy, and the moment of elation has passed, give me the grace to walk down carefully and thankfully help others pass. For when I serve fellow climbers in reaching your mighty peak, it is the only true thanksgiving that my soul can give.